Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, this is Kaysa. I'm back for another quick video. In this video, I want to show you some of the pins that I've actually made. I know in the last video, I talked about considering making pins and add them to your jewelry to make money. The pins that I've made thus far have done wonderful. I just wanted to show you the type of colors that I've mixed with them. I know in the last video, I did a haul from the Bumblebee company. And so on the pins, I actually used some of those colors on the pin to get these beautiful beaded pins I'm going to show you. This is fabulous. This is a little bit different. I wanted to hang a charm off of it. And by the way, I do have my charms either made or I order online the charms that I like. These are fabulous. Now, this bead came from the Bumblebee. These copper. Look at how pretty that copper is with that yellow. Isn't that fabulous? So those are the wanted pin. Then remember the fuchsia that I showed you? I actually combined it on this pin. I thought it was a perfect combination. And these are in now. Believe it or not, people love beaded pins. I did not know it. Who knew that? And so when I prayed, the download came to do the beaded pins. So I did. I was like, okay, Lord, I'll do these beaded pins. And listen, when I tell you at the fair that I did a couple of weeks ago, my pins sold. They sold even more than the jewelry. I sold jewelry, but I sold more pins than jewelry, as well as journals. And this was a perfect touch to my journal. Look at that color. Beautiful. Yellow and copper. That bronze copper. Just love it. And this was another color that, oh my God, that was that lilac color that I told you about. The lilac lavender color that I showed you. The beads are from the Bumblebee company. Along with the silver one. Gold and green. Can't go wrong with gold and green. And listen, it's in. This one I decided to just use some regular pearls and enhance it with this beautiful bling spacer. This one is one of my favorites too. I love the bronze and the mustard together. Really, really pretty. And last, this one. So these are all of the beads, that the beaded pins that I made. Listen, I'm telling you, this would be good to add to your repertoire. Only because people love pins. You know, I thought I loved pins, but people love pins. And I didn't realize that I had some people come to me and was like, you know what? I can use these as gifts. So like if you're doing like presentations at the job or whatever, you can give them as gifts. Or if you know someone that want to find gifts to give to their employees, this would be the perfect gift along with a journal or anything, you know, a bookmark of some sort or whatever. But these right here, especially because of how colorful they are, these are the perfect gift for people. So think about gift items that you can make. You know, we have Mother's Day that's coming up. Okay. And you can actually make these for fathers too. It would have to be a little bit more masculine, of course, with the color and everything. I would do more of a black pen or a, you know, some other pens or whatever. But I do have these pens over here. I did get them from Amazon. Okay, so they come in all kinds of assorted colors, so you can get them. So if you want to make them like for men or whatever, they definitely have, you know, the colors for men as well. And you know, we have to think about the men as well, because they like pens too, they like journals too, you know, they like jewelry too. And so we want to be all inclusive. You know, we want to have something for our men and have something for the women as well. This is really a fun project. It doesn't take long at all. And if you're really looking for something else to do, this would be a good project. And again, this is a great seller's item at festivals, fairs, conferences. I'm telling you, if you need something else to sell, you might want to consider doing beaded pens, or you might want to do the beaded bookmarks, which I'm probably going to work on those next, and maybe I'll come online and do those as well. All right, this has been another video, just showing you some of the things I'm working on, and hopefully you'll get a little bit of inspiration. All the videos that I'm trying to do, I want you to be inspired. I want you to be energetic. I want you to get some sort of creativity. You know, sometimes we get in ruts. Sometimes we don't know exactly what we should be making next. Well, that's why we're here, to inspire one another. Okay? Listen, if you have any questions, you know how to get in contact with me in the chat. I'll be glad to talk with you and discuss anything that you want to know. Okay? Well, this has been another great video where I'm showing you another great surprises and another form of creativity. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. Greatly appreciate it, and you have a wonderful night.